finished product of how everything looks on the surface of my skin. Look at that. What's up, girl? Have you ever wondered the correct order to apply your skincare products, the waiting time in between, and of course application tips that will help you to get the best of any skincare products that you use on your skin at all? That is exactly what we are going to be talking about in today's video. What if I told you the reason why that serum did not really work for you is because you did not use it the way you are supposed to use it. You didn't layer it the way you are supposed to layer it, and your skin ended up becoming irritated, dry, dehydrated, and of course sensitized. Now in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to layer your skincare products correctly, the waiting time in between, application tips for smooth, youthful skin. And of course, as you can see, I'm makeup free because we are going to be going in total into the demo of how to do everything. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, first of all, I want you to make sure you are subscribed, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any new video from me at all. Our agenda for today is what is the correct order to follow if you're trying to apply your skincare products in a routine, the waiting time in between everything, and of course application tips that will help you to get a very smooth, glass, youthful skin. And then of course we are going to enter the best actives to pair together for maybe your morning routine or your night routine that will help you to get clear, beautiful skin. And that's because I spend a lot of time going through the comment section trying to understand, okay, or what else should I create as content that you guys are going to absolutely enjoy and that you would find valuable. And this is where I thank today's sponsor. Our sponsor for today's video is Rovectin. And Rovectin is a clean, vegan, cruelty-free brand that caters especially to sensitive skin but can absolutely work for all skin types. And thanks to them, I'm going to be sharing all the products that they sent to me that I've been using for the past 3 weeks or so to enhance my youthful radiant skin. Of course, let's just jump right into it because we have a lot to cover. Now that our hairline is secured, let's jump into the first step of today's tutorial, and that is cleansing. What if I tell you that you've been cleansing the absolute wrong way? Now, the usual way most people cleanse is to just press something into their palm and then put water there and start the foam on their face. No, sis, that is not how to cleanse. The real thing in your cleanser that cleanses your skin is what? The foam that your hand produces when you rub it together. So what I usually encourage people to do, and that I've actually even seen on TikTok that dermatologists recommend, is that you squeeze a little bit of the cleanser into your palm, add a little bit of water, turn it into foam. It is the foam that you apply on your skin for 60 seconds that removes dirt, grease, grime, and of course germs from the surface of your skin. So currently my skin has been thoroughly cleansed, and I use this Rovectin Skin Essentials Conditioning Cleanser, the Advanced Formula 1 right here. The next step is to not use a towel. Sis, I know you want to change your towels every day if you have the money, kudos to you, but the right thing is to not use a towel because sometimes towels contain fibers that are very irritating to people who have sensitive skin. If you notice that when you finish using your favorite cleanser, your skin does not really have that glow that everybody is talking about, maybe it is the wipe that you are using after the cleanser. So what I like to use is to go in with this baby wipe right here, which is the second step in your entire skincare routine. You will go in with the baby wipe and you will take a little bit, just one, like this. It is not too damp, it is not too greasy, it is not too wet. This is just a normal baby wipe. The reason why we are using the baby wipe is because this thing is very soft and easy on the skin. So by the time you are using it to take water away from your face like this, it will just gently take the water away without giving you the irritation that microfiber towels, fiber towels, and all this tissue paper would give your skin. And if you really want to make sure that your skin is pampered, you want to make sure you get your entire cleansing routine properly the way I've described to you. Now, this is where the demo begins. The second step in your skincare routine is your what? Your toner. Now let me just tell you guys that your toner is the second step because it is the second thing that helps to remove impurities from the surface of your skin. So if during your routine you didn't properly get some aspects of your face that still had the impurities and dirt and germs and stuff, your toner is thoroughly furnished to help you to remove impurities. And the one I've been using is this hyaluronic acid toner. So what I'm going to do now is to apply a little bit onto my palm like this, and then I'm just going to apply it on my face. Now this is where it gets really juicy. Now I've applied the toner. Most times I always encourage people to use a very hydrating toner because it is going to accentuate how other skincare products in your routine are going to penetrate and absorb into your skin. If you're using a toner that is dehydrating your skin, you're not going to like how the other steps in your routine would glaze properly and absorb properly into your entire skin. So right now you can see that my skin has a little bit of shine. It is properly hydrated. It has gotten rid of the few impurities that I missed out in my entire skincare routine, and this is the second step in your skincare routine. The third step is my absolute favorite, and I've been using the Rovectin hyaluronic acid essence. This essence contains caffeine that helps to depuff my eye bags. Most times when I wake up now, because sis is a wife and sis is always busy, I always wake up to like puffy eyes sometimes, and the caffeine inside this essence helps to depuff those places. I just apply it and I press it gently on my eyes like I will show you in today's video, and it just absolutely helps to remove those eye bags. This essence contains 7 different types of hyaluronic acid that penetrates into the different layers of your skin in order to give you a very youthful, clear, beautiful skin. And so that is what I'm going to be using in the next step. Now, essences is supposed to allow serums to penetrate better. If you're using a serum like Timeless or like any other serum that is an antioxidant that has a concentration of up to 10%, sis, you need to make sure that you use an essence before it. Otherwise, your serum is not going to sit properly on a skin that has been properly hydrated, and that is absolutely going to lead to irritation. That is why the next step in a very furnished skincare routine should be your essence. Cleansing, toning, essence. Now this one has a little bit of tacky texture to it, so if your skin is dry sensitive, you would absolutely love the Rovectin hyaluronic acid essence with niacinamide, panthenol and caffeine. Next thing that will come in your entire skincare routine when you are trying to layer it. Now, the waiting time in between each skincare product should be 60 seconds. You can see that when I applied the toner, I talked with you guys a little bit before I jumped into the essence. Most of you guys have asked me, Eniela, what time should I wait between my toner, my essence and my serum? Give it 60 seconds until your skin feels a little bit damp and tacky like this. It is this tacky feeling that allows serum, moisture and everything inside it to latch onto each other so that it can create a very good bond. It can create a very good bond when it comes to how your skin is going to absorb the products into your layers. Okay, the next thing that we are going to be using in our skincare routine is the serum. Now that the skin is hydrated and juicy and we can see a little bit of glow, we are now going to add the serum. And the serum I've been using is the Rovectin Clean Forever Biome serum. This particular serum right here, it contains up to 7 different types of dual biome complex in both prebiotics and probiotic vitamins. All right, this particular serum will help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles on the surface of your skin. And you guys know that I'm really into anti-aging right now. This is the serum I've been using for my nighttime skincare routine. So this serum has a tacky texture to it. It's a bit watery, but it just absolutely gives your skin this very youthful, beautiful, radiating appearance. Some of you guys have complained in the comment section that by the time you're applying your moisturizer and your sunscreen, you can feel like your skin is already peeling. That is because you did not give those products a good waiting time and you didn't layer it correctly. But if you follow all the steps that I've described for you to get to this point, and you give your skin at least 90 seconds or 60 seconds before you go in with the moisturizer, it has given your skin ample time to readily absorb the serum into your skin before you now go in with the moisturizer. Now for your daytime application, sis, I would highly encourage that you use a lightweight hydrating moisturizer. This Rovectin Clean Water Lotus moisturizing cream is the one I've been using ever since they sent it to me, because the one I used to use before was the essential hyaluronic acid one. It was very lightweight. I wanted something that will replace it and also give me that dewy glow that I always try to go for, and this is the one that I've been using. It comes in this particular packaging. I love how beautiful and how well it just glides on the surface of my skin. Of all the products that is sent to me, their Water Lotus moisturizer is my favorite. Most times I even just use it at night when I'm done with my entire skincare routine and I just want to have like a very good layer of finishing on the surface. So now what I'm going to be doing is I've given my skin about 90 seconds in between the entire routine, and I've given my skin 90 seconds to absorb the serum into my skincare routine. I'm now going to go in with the moisturizer. Now if you can see what I'm doing, I'm tapping it like this on parts of my face. Most people just take the moisturizer, rub it on their hands first, and then rub that rub on their face. No, you are supposed to apply a moisturizer in a dotted system like this on your skin. You will now go in with your fingertips to now gently massage the moisturizer into your skin pores. The moment you massage the moisturizer here first before using it on your face, you've lost most of the hydration that is supposed to be applied on your face. What is right for you to do is what I'm displaying to you right now, which is apply it in a dotted system, go in with your fingertips, okay, and then gradually start massaging it into your skin pores. When you're going to bed at night, you want to go to bed looking more or less like a grease ball, because when you wake up in the morning, you need your skin to still have a little bit of the leftover of the hydrating complex that you have mixed into your entire skincare routine, so that when you wake up in the morning, you still have a little bit of glow seeping in here and there, and that is why we are looking like a shine bubble right now. All right, the next thing for your nighttime routine is your eye cream. At this point, you will now use your eye cream. I got the Good Molecules Gentle Retinol Eye Cream, this particular one right here. But because I used it last night, I'm not going to be applying it in this skincare routine because I don't want to start having a very bad irritation to retinol. That would be your nighttime routine. But for daytime, you will go in with your what? Your sunscreen. Sis, let me just tell you now. Depending on your skin type, I've covered the different kinds of sunscreens that I've used in the past, and I've also recommended different types for your skin type to you guys. But this is the one I use. I use the Suncoach UV Perfect Gel Super Waterproof Sunscreen. The reason why I always repurchase this sunscreen is because it is liquidy. You want to use a sunscreen that will not give you a white cast, that will absorb easily, and that will give you full coverage. The waiting time between your moisturizer and your sunscreen should be at least a minute. Most times I even wait 3 minutes until I can feel like I can't sense that tackiness of the moisturizer again. If you go in immediately with your sunscreen after using your moisturizer, there is no way that concoction is not going to be messed up. It will be messed up and you will not like how well you have layered the two products on your skin. So give your skin at least a minute to 3 minutes. You can go ahead with your body care while you are doing this is sunscreen. By the time you are done with your body care, the moisturizer would have a tacky feeling. You see, this is already having a tacky feeling that you can now follow in with your sunscreen on. If you just jump in straight, that peeling sensation is going to occur. You will not like how well the whole concoction and the whole mixture is going to look on the surface of your skin. All right, so we've covered cleansing, we've covered toning, we've covered essence, we've covered serums, we've covered moisturizers, we've covered sunscreens. Now during the day, if you're outside at your office and you need to reapply your sunscreen, I would encourage you to go in with a sun stick if you don't have makeup on, or a sun spray if you have makeup on. And the waiting time between when you get to the office and all of that, in between the day when you need to reapply your sunscreen, is 2 hours. See, whether your sunscreen says SPF 50 plus, SPF 100 plus, the baseline, if you want my honest advice, I would encourage you to reapply your sunscreen every 2 hours. Now, the next segment that we are going to quickly touch up on are the best actives to pair together for clear, glowing skin. Now, if you notice, the actives that I paired together in my previous routine for my anti-aging skincare routine is retinol and hyaluronic acid. I mixed the Rovectin hyaluronic acid essence and the complex inside this particular serum together to give myself a very good anti-aging skincare routine. So for example, if you're not yet in your late 20s and you don't want to do anything with anti-aging and you want to have clear, beautiful skin, you can combine niacinamide and vitamin C serums together in your skincare routine in order to enhance the brightness and the radiance of your skin. Thus, you can use niacinamide serum in the morning, vitamin C serum at night, or vitamin C serum in the morning, niacinamide at night. These are two actives that will help your skin to have a very bright, youthful glow. That's the next active that you can pair together. The last active that you can pair together in the skincare routine, that's the third one now, is niacinamide and salicylic acid. That is salicylic acid in your cleanser, niacinamide in your serum, or niacinamide in your essence, or niacinamide in your toner. You can combine it together if your skin is acne prone. Sis, listen to me. Don't say because you want to do if you have acne currently, do not do anything to brighten your skin if you have acne currently. Fix the acne first before you brighten up your skin. Let us take care of the acne breakouts first by using niacinamide and salicylic acid in your routine to curb and to manage the acne on the surface of your skin. When it has healed up, you can now use niacinamide and vitamin C to brighten up your skin or all the spots that you have left behind. Alright guys, so I wanted to move close to the camera to show you guys the finished product of how everything looks on the surface of my skin. Look at that. I have never glowed like this in my life. I know I always say that, but for nighttime routine, like I said earlier, you want to go to bed looking like a grease ball, so when you wake up in the morning, your skin still has a very beautiful, youthful glow to it. All the products, the Rovectin products, their cleanser, their essence, and their serum, and of course their moisturizer, everything is going to be linked in the description box. Make sure you also check the pinned comment, since if your skin is especially sensitive and you get irritation easily, Rovectin is for you. And even if you're not and you just want something to accentuate your glow like this, and you are pursuing something along anti-aging lines, Rovectin is for you. They are a clean, cruelty-free vegan brand that is absolutely lovely on all skin types. Thank you so much guys for supporting me. Please make sure you also support today's sponsor by checking their links in the description box and in the pinned comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Make sure you drop your questions in the comment section so I can know how to provide more support to you guys in your entire skincare routine process. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Are we glowing? The hair, the skin, it's all giving. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.